Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is very special. The topic of today's podcast is how to speak fluent English in 2026. If you are listening to this podcast, it means one thing. You want to speak English better. You want to understand English easily, and you want to speak English with confidence. Maybe you have studied English for many years. Maybe you know grammar. Maybe you know many words. But when it is time to speak, you feel nervous, you feel slow, or your mind goes blank. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. In this podcast, I will show you simple, clear, and realistic ways to become fluent in English in 2026. No complicated rules, no difficult grammar explanations, just real advice that works. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. What does fluent really mean? First, let's talk about an important question. What does fluent English really mean? Many people think fluent means speaking very fast, using big, difficult words, sounding exactly like a native speaker. But this is not true. Fluent English means you can express your ideas. You don't stop every second. You don't translate in your head all the time. You feel comfortable speaking. You can make mistakes and still be fluent. You can have an accent and still be fluent. Fluency is confidence plus clarity, not perfection. So in 2026, don't aim to be perfect. Aim to be comfortable and confident. Step 1. Change your mindset. The first step to speaking fluent English is your mindset. If you think, I am bad at English, I can never speak fluently, I am too old, then your brain believes that. Instead, start saying, I am learning English. I improve every day. Mistakes help me learn. This is very important. Your brain learns better when you feel relaxed and positive. Fear blocks learning. Confidence opens learning. In 2026, promise yourself this: I will not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey. Step 2. Stop studying English. Start using English. Many learners study English for years. They read grammar books. They memorize vocabulary. But they don't use English. To speak fluently, you must use English every day. You don't need 3 hours. You don't need expensive courses. You need 10 to 20 minutes every day with focus. Little by little is better than a lot once a week. Consistency is the key. Step 3. Learn English in phrases, not words. This is one of the most important tips. Stop learning single words. Start learning phrases. For example, not happy. I'm really happy about that. Not problem. That's not a big problem. When you learn phrases, you speak faster. You sound more natural, you think less, your brain remembers phrases more easily than single words. In 2026, learn English like children do. They learn sentences, not dictionaries. Step 4. Listen every day, even if you don't understand everything. Listening is the foundation of speaking. You cannot speak what you don't hear. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, TV shows. Choose easy content. You don't need to understand 100%. If you understand 60 to 70%, it's perfect. Your brain is learning pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, sentence structure. Listen while walking, cleaning, cooking, resting. Make English part of your life. Step 5. Speak alone. Yes, alone. Many people say, I don't have anyone to speak English with. That's okay. You can speak alone. Talk to yourself about your day, about your plans, about your feelings. Example, today was a busy day. I woke up early. I went to work. This may feel strange at first, but it works. Speaking alone builds confidence, improves fluency, removes fear. Your mouth learns how to move. Your brain learns how to connect ideas. Step 6. Use simple English. Simple English is powerful English. Native speakers use simple sentences all the time. For example, I don't know. Let me think. That makes sense. I agree. I'm not sure. You don't need big words to sound smart. You need clear words. In 2026, focus on clarity, not complexity. Step 7. Create a daily speaking routine. Fluency comes from routine. Here is a simple daily plan. Listen for 5 minutes, repeat some sentences, speak for 5 minutes. That's it. You can do this in the morning or evening. The key is every day. Even on busy days, do something small. Step 8. Don't translate in your head. Translation is one of the biggest problems. When you translate, you speak slowly. You feel confused. You lose confidence. Instead, think in English. Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need coffee. Slowly, your brain will switch. This takes time. Be patient with yourself. Step 9. Accept your accent. Your accent is not a problem. It is part of who you are. The goal is clear pronunciation, not perfect accent. Many fluent speakers have accents, and that is okay. In 2026, don't try to sound American or British. Try to sound clear and confident. Step 10. Enjoy the process. If learning English is boring, you will stop. Choose content you enjoy, topics you like, stories you love, videos that make you smile. When you enjoy English, you learn faster. Learning should feel exciting, not stressful. Pause here. Take a breath. You are doing great. Step 11. Repeat, repeat, repeat. One secret of fluent English speakers is repetition. They hear the same phrases again and again. They repeat them. They use them many times. When you hear a good sentence, stop and repeat it. Pause the podcast. Pause the video. Say the sentence out loud. For example, this makes a lot of sense. Repeat it 3 times. Repetition makes English automatic. Step 12. Learn English for real life. Don't learn English only for tests. Learn English for shopping, traveling, talking about your job, talking about your life. Ask yourself, what do I talk about every day in my language? Then learn English for those topics. If you like shopping, learn shopping English. If you like work topics, learn work English. This makes learning useful and motivating. Step 13. Slow down your speaking. Many learners try to speak fast, but speed is not fluency. Slow English is better than fast, broken English. Speak slowly. Think clearly. Pronounce better. Feel calmer. Native speakers often speak slowly and clearly too. So relax. Take your time. Step 14. Shadowing technique. This is a powerful technique. Shadowing means listen to a speaker, speak at the same time. Choose short podcast clips, short YouTube videos. Play one sentence and speak with the speaker. This helps you improve pronunciation, learn rhythm, sound natural. Do this for 5 minutes a day. Step 15. Use English every day in small ways. English does not need to be a study time. You can use English in daily life. Change your phone language to English. Write notes in English. Think in English. Small actions create big results. Step 16. Write simple English every day. Writing helps speaking. Write 3 sentences about your day, your plans, your feelings. Example: today was a good day. I worked a lot. I feel tired but happy. Writing helps your brain organize English. Step 17. Learn common English expressions. Fluent speakers use common expressions. Examples: you know what I mean. That's a good point. To be honest, at the end of a day, these expressions make you sound natural. Learn a few each week. Use them often. Step 18. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people speak fast. Some people speak slowly. Your journey is your journey. Compare yourself only to your past self. Are you better than last year? That's progress. Step 19. Be patient with yourself. Fluency does not come in 1 month. It comes with time, practice, and patience. Some days will feel hard. Some days you will feel confident. This is normal. Don't quit. Step 20. Make 2026 your English year. Now ask yourself, do I really want to speak fluent English? If yes, then be consistent. Be kind to yourself. Enjoy the process. Fluent English is not magic. It is daily action. A simple 30-day plan. Very important. Here is a simple plan. Every day, 10 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking, 3 minutes writing. That's it. In 30 days, you will feel a difference. In 6 months, you will surprise yourself. In 2026, you can be fluent. Final motivation. Remember this: you don't need perfect English. You need confident English. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Speak English every day, even a little. Thank you for listening to this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend. And remember, you can speak fluent English in 2026. See you in the next episode.